Amid escalating tensions in Karnataka's Mandya district over the removal of a Hanuman Dhwaja, that is, a Lord Hanuman flag, from a 108-foot flagpole in Keragodu village, security measures have been ramped up. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and Janata Dal Secular JDS workers have declared a protest rally from the village to the district collector's office, prompting heightened security in the region. In response to the situation, the district is now under the influence of Section 144, limiting gatherings and accompanied by a significant police presence. Virupaksha, the former vice president of the village panchayat, explained that the initial request letter had outlined the dual purpose of the flagpole for both civic and religious uses. He expressed concerns that the chief minister may not be fully informed about the controversy, stating, and I quote, "The CM does not know the reality of the controversy. The officer at the district level has given the wrong information to the chief minister. When we wrote the request letter, we mentioned that we would also use this for religious purposes. What we are requesting is to permit us to host the saffron flag." On BJP JDS workers' protest in Mandya, Karnataka Deputy CM DK Shivkumar stated, "They should have basic common sense. Let them do politics. We respect all religions. We can't allow anyone to take the law in their hands."
They have lost, all of them have lost their deposits in BJP. Okay, that is why they have embraced with JDS. Now they wanted to have a political foothold in Mandya. They are just creating confusion in the minds of the public. Nothing will happen. Mandya is a very secular people. People of Mandya are very tolerant, very secular. They will not look at it. We have a national structure. We have a constitution. We have a national history. It has been run by Maharajas. How Maharajas took out those area, I think it will go up. This is purely politics, and they wanted to destabilize the peace of the state.
Meanwhile, Karnataka police have arrested BJP workers in Bengaluru who were staging protest over the Mandya flag issue. The issue stemmed after authorities removed a Hanuman Dhwaja, a saffron flag bearing Lord Hanuman's portrait, from a 108-foot flagpole on Saturday, following which the members of the BJP, JDS and Bajrang Dal gathered to protest against the flag's removal, leading to the deployment of a substantial number of police personnel as a precautionary measure. The removal of the Hanuman Dhwaja triggered a political showdown between the ruling Congress government and the opposition BJP and JDS in the state. To quell the unrest, the police restored to a lathi charge. Following this, the police and administration stepped in to replace the Hanuman flag with the national tricolour on the flagpole, aiming to restore order in the Mandya district.